Hello guys, I'll show you how you can generate multiple images using Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation model. Go to your N8N instance, click on create new workflow, import the file in the description, generate AI images, and that's it. I'll just show you, I'll just tell you I'll just explain each and every node. So this endpoint right here, you have to call this endpoint Gemini 2.0 Flash experiment image generation. For authentication, you have to select predefined and search for Gemini and connect to create new credential, connect your test your Gemini API key, which you can get from astudio.google.com and go to click on create new get API key, create API key and get your API key. It's very straightforward. So once you connected, this is the body content. Generate a six high definition photos. But you can generate up to 25 to 30 images in a single prompt. I have tested it and it worked very well. So for this use case, I'll just keep it at 6 to reduce the RAM usage of N8N. So, okay, I'll just do a test run and show you how this exactly works. Okay, it ran successfully. I'll just see the split out node. Why I use the split out node? Because there are basically two things it generated. It generated the image in the base64 format, and if you go down, you can see it has also generated the text of that image. So the scene. So I only need to if you only need to filter out the images, you can just add split node and drag and drop these spots. You can and then use a filter out node which will and filter out the inline data. You can see select the inline data right here. So what it does is it's going to split the data and text, and it's going to filter out only the inline data, and it's going to keep only the inline data, only the images, if you only need the images. So you can see, if you see the convert to file, this is what is convert the base64 data into an image. If you see it, you can see the high definition image. You can, and you can see the consistency. It's very great. It looks really cool. Yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye.